So we're talking about perception checking. Now, this week we're talking all about perception and communication. And one of the tools that I want you to walk away from this class with is something called a perception check. So when you perform a perception check, there are three distinct steps that you take. The first step you want to take is describe the behavior that you noticed. Now, you want to describe the behavior without any judgmental statements, purely fact-based, okay? So you might say, I saw you walking the other day on the beach with someone else holding hands. Okay, that is completely fact-based. It's an observation. You described the behavior that you observed. You didn't say, I saw you on the beach and you were with another guy and you're cheating on me, right? We didn't say that. We didn't jump to a conclusion, but instead what we said was, I saw you on the beach with another person holding hands. So that is the description of the behavior. All right, number two, you want to offer up two possible interpretations of what happened. Are you cheating on me, or was that a good friend that I don't know about? There's your two possible interpretations, okay? You want to give the person and yourself some room to breathe, some possible saving face mechanism here. In case it is a big misunderstanding, you don't want to jump on the defense right away and be accusing. You want to give two possible reasons why this behavior might have occurred, okay? So you're giving your two interpretations. And lastly, you're going to ask for clarification. So you're going to round out the perception check by saying, can you explain to me what that was about? Or what's up? Or why is this like this? So you're just going to ask a quick little clarifying sentence to round out the perception check. So here's what my perception check might sound like altogether. Hey, Sam, I saw you the other day walking on the beach holding hands with another person, and I was surprised. I was wondering if you were having another relationship or if that was just a close friend in a moment of need. Would you mind talking to me about it? Okay, so there's a perception check from front to back. So again, three steps. First, describe the behavior that you observed. Second, offer up two possible explanations for that behavior. That's interpretation. And lastly, clarification, asking them just, hey, the ball's in your court now. Can you clarify this for me? Why do we use perception checks? We use perception checks because as human beings, we are not perfect at our perceptions, at perceiving situations accurately. So we might see something and jump to a conclusion and assume that this is happening. Now, that's a pretty natural human behavior because we're kind of trained that way, right? We need to make sense of the world around us. But this can lead to a lot of arguments and a lot of miscommunication and a lot of damaged relationships if we're not careful. So the perception check is a really important tool.